function, the concept of social function. It is social function like the social structure is another important concept in sociology. The study of function or functionalism approach is being given great importance to in the study of social phenomena by sociologists Durkheim, Parson, Merton, Malinowski, and Radcliffe Brown. And the term function refers to some public gathering or festive occasion. Secondly, the term equated with the occupation, and they are. Thirdly, the term may mean the appropriate and sustaining activity within the context of the society. The definition of social function, Durkheim's definition of function is that the function of social institutions is the correspondence between institutions and the needs of the social organism. And R.K. Martin, he defines function as those observed consequences which make for adaptation and adjustment of a given system. And Radcliffe Brown's views regarding the function, the concept of function has become popular in modern sociology due to contribution of Malinowski, A.R. Brown, Talcott Parson, R.K. Martin, and Kingsley Davis. And Durkheim's view of function have deeply influenced the thought of all these writers. And for the purpose of understanding the function as used in sociology, we shall briefly deal with Radcliffe Brown's view. He divides he categorized the analogy between or he compared the social and organic life with the organic life. Radcliffe Brown frankly advocated analogy between social life and organic life. Human body has a structure as an arrangement of organs, tissues and fluids, and even the single cellular organism has a structure of its own in the form of arrangement of molecules, and an organism has life which can be referred to as a process, and the life process within the human body dependent on the organic structure. In the it is the function of heart. In, for example, the function of the heart to pump blood throughout the throughout the body. The continued existence of organic structure depends on a process of make total life possible. If the heart fails to perform its function, the life process comes to an end. Living structure also comes to an end. And in the study of social system, also the concept of function could be used in scientific way as it is used in organism, and it could be used to refer interconnection between social structure and the process of life. And three concept process, structure and function. Process, structure and function are logically interrelated, and they are essential aspect of social system. And in the field of social life, every group has its own. In the field of social life, every group has its own structure, and human being are its important units. They are connected by set of social relations. The continuity of the social structure is not destroyed by changes in units. The continuity of social structure is maintained by process of social life, and the social life of the community is understood as the functioning of social structure. According to Brown, Radcliffe Brown, the term function indicates the contribution of partial activity to total activity, and in this way social custom by means of its functioning contributes to the total society or social life. And functional unity is a condition in which all parts of the social system work together with harmony. and internal unity. And Brown has the idea of functional unity of the social system is only a hypothesis which could be tested through the reality or the facts. Thank you.